Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Gstr1 in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime, go to Gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports, then GSD Reports and Gstr1 to begin filing. Choose the period, export JSON, validate in the GSD portal, and rectify errors shown in the preview. Save a backup before submission, regularly reconcile your sales ledger, and include B2B, B2C, and credit notes appropriately. Start by reconciling your sales ledger against invoices to ensure totals and GSD rates match. Use filters in Tally Prime to list B2B, B2C, and export invoices separately for clarity. Update missing GSTIN and correct invoice types now to prevent validation errors later. Regularly run checks on credit notes and debit notes so adjustments reflect correctly in Gstr1 exports and the portal preview. Export the Gstr1 JSON from Tally Prime and keep a dated backup copy for records. Upload the file to the GSD portal and carefully review the validation report for mismatch codes and missing GSTIN entries. Return to Tally to correct source data, re-export the JSON, and re-upload until the portal shows no errors. Finally, finalize the filing and retain both Tally and portal acknowledgements for your compliance records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.